You probably think your family is prepared for a power outage. You know where your flashlights are. But if the lights went out tonight, would everyone actually know what to do? The problem isn't the power going out. It's what happens next. When the lights go out unexpectedly, people don't think clearly. Kids get scared. Adults hesitate. Simple things become confusing. Not because they're difficult, but because they're unfamiliar. That's where panic starts. Not from the situation, from uncertainty. But here's the good news. This is something you can fix. Not with a big plan, but with one simple experience. Because confidence doesn't come from talking about what to do. It comes from doing it. This is called the flashlight hunt, and it shows you what actually happens when the lights go out. Not what you think will happen, what really happens. Pick a time when it's actually dark outside. Turn off every light in your home. Then tell your family, the power just went out. Find a flashlight and meet back here. And then, watch. Do they know where to go? Can they get there safely? Do the flashlights even work? Most families are surprised, because what they assumed isn't always true. You're not doing this to test your family. You're doing this to remove uncertainty. Because when something feels familiar, it feels manageable. And when it feels manageable, people stay calm. After the drill, talk about what happened. What was hard? What didn't work? Then fix just one thing. Move a flashlight to a better location. Replace the batteries. Give clearer instructions. Now, do it again. Same drill, same darkness, but this time with one improvement. Watch how different it feels. Faster, smoother, less confusion. Because now, they're not guessing. They know. That's what preparedness really is. Not perfection, progress. Small improvements made on purpose over time. You didn't just talk about what to do, you practiced it. And now you and your family are more ready than they were before. If you want more simple drills like this, visit readywhenitcounts.com and start with the 15-minute fixes. Because preparedness doesn't have to be complicated, it just has to be practiced.